Minerals like magnesium and calcium buildup can reduce your water heater's effectiveness. In Arizona, this is especially important, as water contains high mineral content, making it hard water. Though draining a water heater is considered an easy DIY project, the water and pipes connected to your heater will be very hot. Proceed with extreme caution. Step 1. Turn off gas or electricity to your water heater. If it is a gas heater, turn the gas control knob to the pilot position. If it is electric, turn off the circuit breaker at the main breaker panel and disconnect the electrical power supply. Step 2. Shut off water supply. Turn off the cold water supply valve to the water heater and allow the water in your water heater to cool down. Step 3. Turn on a nearby faucet's hot water knob and leave it while you're draining the water heater. This will prevent a vacuum from forming in the lines and allow air into the water heater, which will help your water heater drain more quickly. Step 4. Open the pressure relief valve. This is usually located at the top of the tank. You can open the valve by pulling up on it. Step 5. Attach a hose to the drain valve. Use protective gloves. You can open the drain valve with a flathead screwdriver. After the drain is empty, turn on the cold water valve for a couple minutes to flush out the last remaining sediments. Step 6. Close the drain valve and pressure relief valve. After closing both valves, allow the cold water to continue filling up the water heater. Step 7. Turn the water heater back on. Follow the manufacturer's instruction menu to relight the pilot or turn on the electricity to your water heater.